Dear all, welcome back to Sudarshana Madam's classes. Today we will deal with part B of exercise 1.1 of chapter 1 Numbers and Numeration from grade 5 Learning Maths. So in this session we will do from question number 9 to question number 13. So let us start with question number 9, which says arrange the numbers in ascending order. Whenever we are faced with such questions, we know that ascending order means to arrange from the smaller number to the bigger number. Now, before deciding, let us first count the number of digits in each of these numbers. Let us see, in 34795 we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. In the next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits, which means all are 6-digit numbers except for 34795. So this should be the smallest number because the one with the least number of digits should be the smallest number. Because you are having ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000s place. And here we are having ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000 and the lakhs place too. So this should be the smallest one. Now let us see who can come next in order. Since all are 6-digit numbers, let us note the first digit of all the numbers. Okay, 4 here, 1 here and 3 here. Naturally 1 will be smaller than 3 and 4, so this comes second in order, in ascending order. Next should come the one number starting with 3, so this is the third in order. And the last and the largest, the biggest of all should be the number starting with 4. So here we write 4. So we can number it for our convenience. Now we can be very sure that we will write this one, order 1 first, then 2, then the one coming in the third position, and then finally 4th. So in this way, the chances of making mistake becomes least. Now coming to the next question, number B, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all are with 6 digits. Now let us focus on the first digit of all the numbers. 8, 2, 3, 5. Now tell me which one is the smaller one. Out of this, the first digits that we are seeing, yes, this starting with 2. Next will be starting with 3. Next will be starting with 5. This will be occupying the third place. Beg your pardon, this will be occupying the third place. And finally, the one starting with 8 will occupy the last place. That is the highest one, the biggest number of all. So we start with the smallest number, with the smallest digit in the first, with the first digit when we compare it with all. So 283540 is the smallest one, followed by 354028, which is little bigger than that, and bigger than that is 540283, and the biggest of all is 835402. So this is the way in which we have arranged after finding out the order in which we should be placing them. Okay, come to the next sum, number C of question number 9. So let us see how many digits they are occupying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All 6 digits. Now let's see, the first digit is 6 in all. So there is no clue in the first digit. Let's go to the second digit. Okay, this is 7. This is 0. This is 6. This is 2. And this is 3. Okay, I think we can get little help from here. So naturally 0 will be the smallest one, so we can mark it as number 1. Okay, while placing it. After 0 there is no 1, so we can go for this one, which shows 2 in the second place. Okay, then we can go for this one which shows 3 in the second place. This is a third position holder. And then we have 6 and 7, so 6 will be definitely smaller than 7, so this will be the fourth position, and this will be the fifth position. So now that we have decided which one will come first and which one will come second, so we just write them. So first comes 603657, followed by 623756, followed by 632765 here in the third position. Fourth is 665732, and the last one 673562 at the end. So this is the ascending order, smaller to bigger. We are over with question number 9. We come to question number 10, which says arrange the numbers in descending order. So we've got 999, 843. So all the let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4. So all are 6-digit numbers, and the first digit of all the numbers are 9. Let's go for the second digit. This is 9. Okay, this is 8. This is also 9. This is 1. Okay, this is 0. So 0 will be the smallest one. Remember, we are going for descending numbers. So first will be the biggest one, then smaller, last will be the smallest one. So the smallest one should be this. Okay, should be the smallest one. So I should number it 1 2 3 4 5. This is the fifth one which I should be writing. Okay, 0 के बाद 1 आता है. So 1 is bigger. So it will come ahead of the smaller one. 1. And both the second place is 9 in these numbers. This is 8. Second place is 8. So I can mark it as number 3. This should come third in order, because we are doing descending numbers. Now let us decide which one is the biggest of these two numbers. Bigger. Let us see the first 3 digits, because the first 2 digits are 99 in both. So 999, 990. The 990 will be smaller than 999. So this will be the second position, and the biggest one occupying the first position because it is in descending order. So we will write 99843 first, followed by 990991 second. Third we will write 984931. Then we will write 919990, fourth position holder, and the fifth position holder, the smallest one, is 900099. Okay, I think it's clear now how we will do the numbering and then write them down in order. Children, it will be always advisable to first number it with pencil and then write it down with pen, so that we will avoid any mistakes. Now let's count the next one, number B of question number 10. Number of digits 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5. This is the smallest number with 5 digits. Rest of them are all 6 digits. So this should come last, because we will have to write in descending order. Next, let us see the first digit of all. This is 5. 5, 4, 6. So 4 will be smaller than 5, right? So this will be occupying the fourth position. We have to write it in fourth number when we write it. Second last it will be. Then comes 5. But 5 has got 2. There is 5 in 2 of the numbers in the first place. So let us see the second place. This is also 5 6. This is also 5 6. This is also 5. Let us see the third one, 8 and 8 in both. Let's go for the fourth place. That is a hundredths place. 1 stands 100. Hundredths place is 8 here and hundredths place is 9 here. So which one is bigger? 9 in the hundredths place. So this one is smaller. So this will be written in the third place. This should be written in the second then. And the one starting with 6 should be the biggest one. So we write 6 8 5 4 4 9 4 9 9 first, then followed by 5 6 8 9 9 8 8 9 5 6 8 9 8 1. Second position ye hona chahiye tha. Yes, we have written that only. थर्ड में ये होना चाहिए था क्योंकि ये स्मॉलर देन इसमें है. देखो ये 900 है, 800 है. So we will write 568891. Then this will be followed by the one starting with 4, that is 458690, and the 5-digit वाला number. मत देखना कि 8 है पहले, आप देखो कितने digits है. Number of digits is less, so this will come last. Okay. We come to the number C. Number C, let us see. All are 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5. So all सारे के सारे 6 digits के हैं और सारे के सारे first digit जो है 3 है. So second digit पे चलते. Second digit 1 0 1 0 1. तो 0 वाले तो पहले आएंगे, but there are 2 numbers with 0 in the second place. Let's go for the third one. Again 0. Okay. Fourth one, another 0. So let's see. In the ones place, we have got 1 here. Okay. And nothing in the tens place. But what do we have here? Ones and tens place, we have got 11. So this is bigger. 11 will be bigger than 1. So this will be occupying the last one. Okay. This will be the last one because it's the smallest one. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So this will be the 5th, written in the 5th place. This should be written in the 4th place. Now let us see numbers with 1 in the second position. Second place. That means here is also 1, here is also 1, here is also 1. Let's see what are the numbers after that, digits after that. 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Here we have 1, 0, 0, 0. Here 0, 1, 1, 0. So this should be the next smallest of these 3. Okay. So this will come number 3. Because if I consider the last 3, this is 1. If we consider the last 3, this is 110. And if we consider the last 4, it is 1000. So 1 is smaller than 110. Okay. And 110 is smaller than 1000. So this will be occupying the first position, first place when we write it in order of descending order, because then the biggest number should be in the beginning. Okay, 311,000 followed by in number 2 we should have 310,110. Then it will be 310001. Then 300011, and finally 300001. Let us see question number 11 now, which says write the smallest and the greatest 6-digit numbers using the digits 4, 0, 6, 3 and 8 without repeating the digits. So the digits are 4, 0, 6, 3, 8. There are 6 digits, and you have to make the smallest and the greatest number with these 6 digits. But keep in mind, you cannot repeat any digit. We don't need to also, because we've got already 6 digits with us. So the greatest number that we can create is 86430. How? Because it is the greatest number. So we will start with the greatest digit that is available here, that is 8, followed by 6, then 4, then 3 and 0. So we end up with 86,430 as the greatest digit. For making the smallest number, well, the smallest digit here is 0. But if we put the 0 in front before we start the digits, then 0, which does not have any value, will convert the numbers into a 5-digit number. That's why we will use the digit which is next to 0 in its value. Here we don't have 1 and 2, so we will go for 3. So we will place 3 first, then the 0, so that it retains its value, and then we will go in the ascending order of the digits 4, 6 and 8. So we end up with the smallest number 30,468. Now the next question, write the smallest and the greatest 6-digit number using 3059. again we have to make a 6-digit number, and the digits that we have to use is only 4 digits are available, 3059. That means we are given the permission to repeat any digit. So if it was a 4-digit number and we had to create the greatest digit, then we would have done it 9530, isn't it? So this portion, see, 9530. But then they have asked us to create a 6-digit number. Okay, so since 9 is the greatest digit here, so we will repeat it twice more. Okay, 2 more times. So if we repeat it 2 more times, then we end up with 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit number. So what do we get when we do that? 9,99,530 will be the greatest 6-digit number out of this 4 digits with repetition. Now when we come to smallest digit, we cannot start with 0 because 0 will not have any value. So we will start with 3. Now after starting with 3, we will put 0, and then we will use the 0 again 2 more time, okay, to get the 6-digit number and end up with 5 and 9. So that makes it the smallest 6-digit number. So we are using 3 and the 0, and we would have gone for 5 and 9 had it been a 4-digit number. But because we have to go for the 6-digit number, we will continue with the smallest digit 2 more times before we go for 5 and 9. So that will give me the 6-digit smallest number with repetition. Then going to number B, the digits are 1, 2 and 7 by repeating each digit twice. So they've given us the permission to repeat each digit twice. So 1 we can use two times, 2 again 2 times, that means 7 also 2 times. So with the greatest digit would have been 721. So since we can repeat the digits, so we will write 772211. So that makes it 7,72,211. Now when we have to make the smallest number with the same digits, so again we will start with the smallest, the digit with the smallest value, that is 1, and repeat it again because we can repeat it twice, and then again 2 and repeat it, 7 and repeat it again. So we are ending with 112277. So that means 1,12,277. Coming to number C, the digits are 1, 4, 8, 2 and 7. And what we have to do is by repeating any one digit twice, we can prepare the greatest number of 6 digits. So how many digits do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more digit is needed. Naturally, when we do go for the greatest number, we will go for 8, 7, 4, 2, 1 in the descending order. And since we can repeat any one digit, so when it comes to greatest number, so we will repeat the greatest digit. Okay, so it will be 887421. That means 8,87,421 is the greatest number. Now smallest number, similarly, if we had gone for the smallest number, it would have been 1, 2, 4, 7, 8 in the ascending order. Because we can repeat any digit, so because it is the smallest number, so we will repeat the smallest digit, that is 1. So the smallest number then becomes 1,12,478. Okay, now the last question of this exercise 1.1. The question is round off the following numbers. First one is 274 to the nearest tens. So we have to round it to the nearest tens, which means till the 10th place, that means tens place, that is, this is ones, tens and this is hundreds. So the number will be visible till the tens place, the digits will be visible till tens place, and in the ones place, the digit will become 0. So before becoming 0, we have to see if the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, then 1 will be added to the tens place, and then itself it will disappear to become 0. Now let's see here. How much do we have in the ones place? It's 4. So 4, which is less than 5. So there is no addition to the tens place. So tens place remains 7. So we have 27. We are left with 27. Only the ones place becomes 0. So when we convert it to the nearest tens, the tens one gets affected either by addition of 1 or without any addition of 1. But remember, the place which is before it, that is the ones place, will be converted into 0. Now let's see the next one. Before moving on to the next one, so the answer, let us see, 274 can be rounded to 270 or 27 tenths it is. Next is number B, in which 3048 to be rounded to the nearest hundreds. So since it is rounded to the nearest hundreds, so the hundreds place, let us see, ones, tens, hundreds. The hundreds place will be there. Till hundreds place we will be able to see the digits, and the rest of the digits will be converted into 0 when we round them off. Now before they get converted to 0, there is a role that I have to play. That is, if the digit in the tens place, which is before the hundreds place, is 5 or more than 5, then it will contribute 1 to the hundreds place. Then the hundreds place will be benefited by 1. That means the 30 will become then 31. But let us watch here. How much is it? It is 4, which is less than 5. So there is no addition in the hundreds place. So 30 hundreds remain 30 hundreds, and the tens in the ones place get converted to 0. Okay. So this you have to just keep in mind. Whichever place has to be rounded, the place before it has to be observed carefully. If it is 5 or more than 5, then addition of 1 in the place, concerned place, and then the digits get converted to 0. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, question number C, which says 15,851 to be converted to the nearest thousands. So let us see, 15,851 to the nearest thousands means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this 15,000 will be there, and the digits which will be after that, that means the hundreds, tens, ones, will be converted into 0 once we round it. Now before it gets converted into 0, what happens is that if the the place which is just next to the thousands place, that is a hundreds place, is 5 or more than 5, that is it, if it is 500 or more than 500, then it will contribute 1 to the thousands place before getting converted into 0. Okay, so let's see here, it is 8. Well, it is more than 5, so 1 gets added to 15, so 15 becomes 1600. Rather, it becomes 16,000, and the hundreds place, tens place, and the ones place get converted into 0, 0, and 0. So 15,851 is rounded to 16,000 to the nearest thousands place. So that is all in exercise 1.1. I hope all of you could understand the sums well. And if you like the way we have been learning the sums in this session, then please do subscribe and do like the video, and please join us when I try to bring some more videos for you. Okay, so bye bye for now. See you again next time with the next exercise 1.2.